Chapter 3, Exercise 3.97, Part A. Choose the element with the more negative electron affinity from each pair. The fluorine atom and the chlorine atom love to get one additional electron and release a lot of heat. Exothermic means releasing heat. So whichever element is closer to fluorine and chlorine, it's going to have more negative electron affinity. Therefore, I'll put iodine here. Rb is rubidium, very far away from chlorine and fluorine. This two, I would pick Se, closer to chlorine and fluorine. Boron and oxygen. Oxygen is closer to fluorine. Compare this to lithium is closer to fluorine. Submit. Okay, so here's the explanation from Mastering Chemistry. So if you move down, the electron affinity become less negative. All right, and if you move to the right across a period, and the electron affinity becomes more negative. So there are two trends, but usually I would just remember fluorine and chlorine are on the top right corner. So when you compare two elements, whichever is closer to the right top corner has a more negative electron affinity. That said, actually the definition of electron affinity in this troll book is wrong. It's the opposite to the UPAC definition. So based on the UPAC definition, fluorine and chlorine have the most positive electron affinity. I did report this to Mastering Chemistry, and they know this definition is different from UPAC definition, but I guess they are reluctant to make the change.